Hello everyone. In this video we will continue chapter of natural vegetation and wildlife. Now we will discuss about the temperate evergreen forest. These forests are mixed forest as both hardwood as well as softwood trees are found here. The regions at low altitude have mixed forest of coniferous trees and other deciduous trees, which region at higher altitude only have coniferous trees. These forests are dense and economical valuable. Trees found in this forest are oak, pine, eucalyptus, wattle, walnut, bamboo. Okay, wildlife in temperate evergreen forest: deer, antelopes, monkey, wolves, foxes and bear are found in this forest. Now we will discuss about the temperate deciduous forest. Temperate deciduous forests are found in coastal region of the eastern and western margin of the continents. These trees are not very tall but have thick trunks and broad leaves. They shed their leaves in autumn season and remain bare throughout the winter. The trees found in the temperate deciduous forest are oak, chestnut, redwood and birch. Wildlife in this forest: deer, foxes, wolves, beavers and bison. Up now, Mediterranean forest. These forests grow well in warm temperate region on the western margin of the continent. The Mediterranean forests are not very dense. जैसे कि आप इस पिक्चर में देख रहे हैं, बहुत डेंस नहीं है और बहुत दूर दूर है ये, ठीक है. द ट्रीज हेयर आर वाइडली स्पेस्ड, बहुत स्पेस होता है इनमें, आर ऑफ मीडियम height and have broad leaves. The trees have adapted to the dry condition. Some trees have thick barks, waxy leaves and long roots. The vegetation of these forests consists of trees such as olive, cork, fig, laurel, myrtle and cypress. Most of the original forest cover has been wiped out to the make land available for fruit orchards. Wildlife in Mediterranean forest: deer, rabbits, squirrels, snakes, lizards, kites. Okay. Coniferous forest. Coniferous forests are found in subpolar and polar belts lying between 55 degree and 70 degree latitude in the northern hemisphere. The main areas are Alaska, northern Canada, parts of Norway, Sweden, Russia and Siberia. These forests are also known as taiga. इनको हम टैगा भी बोलते हैं. ओके. और बोरियल फॉरेस्ट. द कनिफरस ट्रीज आर टॉल, स्ट्रेट एंड एवरग्रीन विद नैरो नीडल लाइक लीव्स. इनकी जो लीव्स हैं वो किसकी तरह हैं? निडल की तरह. ओके, यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर. मोस्ट ऑफ द ट्रीज हैव सॉफ्ट वुड एंड आर लाइट इन वेट. दीज फॉरेस्ट आर ऑफ ग्रेट कमर्शियल वैल्यू. द वुड ऑफ दीज ट्रीज इज used for making furniture, matchsticks, paper, plywood and sports goods. Wildlife in coniferous forest: animals such as silver foxes, grizzly bears, snable, minks and hare to large antlers like caribous, crossbills, warblers, grouse are found in this forest. Now we will discuss about the grassland. Grassland comprise of those regions which experience moderate to low rainfall. Trees do not grow in these areas. इन areas में आपको trees नहीं मिलते हैं. दूर दूर तक एक दो ट्री दिखाई देगी तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज ग्रास होती है बहुत लंबी लंबी. ओके, तो ये भी डिवाइडेड है ट्रॉपिकल ग्रासलैंड एंड द temperate grassland. Tropical grassland are also referred to as savanna. These grassland are found in the tropical zone between the rainforest and desert. Tall grass about 3 to 4 meter in height grow here. Okay, or receives an annual rainfall less than 100 centimeter and temperate remains about 20 degree Celsius even in winter. Tropical grassland cover parts of Africa, South America and northern Australia. द ग्रासलैंड आर आल्सो नोन बाय डिफरेंट नेम्स, अलग अलग जगह पर इनको अलग अलग नाम से जाना जाता है, सच एज लैनोज इन वेनेजुएला, कोलंबिया एंड कंपोज इन ब्राज़ील and Rungland in Australia. Now temperate grassland. Temperate grassland are found in the mid-latitude in the interior of the continent. Temperate grassland are also known by different names. They are called steppes in Southern America. They are called pampas in South Africa. They are called veld in Australia. They are called downs. And in नॉर्थ अमेरिका दे आर कॉल्ड प्रेरी. इनको आप अंडरलाइन करेंगे या फिर आप नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं कॉपी में. ओके. श्रब्स. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द श्रब्स. थ्रॉनी श्रब्स एंड श्रब्स ग्रो इन एक्सट्रीम हॉट एंड कोल्ड एरियाज. दस श्रब्स आर मोस्टली फाउंड इन हॉट डिजर्ट और इन वेरी कोल्ड डिजर्ट. Desert vegetation. The hot desert that have developed in the tropical and subtropical regions lie on the western margin of the continent. Cold deserts are found in the temperate region in the interior of Asia and South America. Example of cold desert are the Gobi Desert and the Tibetan Plateau in Asia and the Patagonian Plateau in South America. The tropical desert are also for high temperature and extremely low rainfall. Vegetation here includes date palms, cactus. ठीक है, वहाँ पर पानी की कमी होती है. पानी की कमी की वजह से इस तरह की झाड़ियाँ जो होती हैं कटीली होती हैं. ठीक है. एंड coarse grasses, a few acacia trees are also found here. Desert plants have thick stems, long root and wax coated leaves. Wildlife in the desert region. Animals found here the camel, antelopes, gazelles, hyenas and wild asses. Now tundra vegetation. Tundra vegetation refers to those places which lie to the north of Arctic Circle. Tundra vegetation is found in the polar areas of Alaska and Canada in Northern America. The region experiences very harsh climatic conditions. Winters are very long and cold, while summers are very short and cool. Vegetation in this area is found mostly in summers. A few flowers, mosses, lychees, grasses and dry shrubs can be seen in the short summer season. A few trees like willow, alder and birch are found in areas bordering the taiga forest. Wildlife in tundra region. The wildlife of tundra region comprises polar bears, snow leopard, arctic foxes, musk oxen, reindeer and caribous. The ever increasing population has increased the demand for resources drastically. Over exploitation of the land for cultivation and settlement has led to large scale deforestation. This has resulted in the extinction of many species of flora and fauna. We have to protect our forests as they are the lungs of the atmosphere. The transition zone between the Sahara Desert and the savanna grassland is called Sahel. It is broad band of grassland encompassing western and northern Central Africa south of the Sahara. It is the largest area of tropical grassland.